We were inspired to upgrade our conservatory because since buying this house, we had it and it was just a wasted space, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We tried to turn it into a gym, but it was too cold. It stopped, the roof was actually leaking. There's holes in the roof.
So when we were during winter time, the roof would have a puddle of water on the floor, so we had to obviously fix that.
I filled it with foam.
He tried to fill it with foam, it wasn't working. And also just as well, it was just really cold, so we just weren't able to sort of sit in this room and enjoy it.
And then we saw a SkyTherm, and then we saw that it was insulated. It completely renovated our room and made it look more beautiful, and it keeps it warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, and it was just right for us, wasn't it?
Yeah. So all of that just made the decision a lot more easier for us to say, yeah, this is what we want to do, and turn it into a nice cozy room instead.
That's it. So instead of being a wasted room, it's a used room now. So we chose SkyTherm because it immediately stood out to us. As soon as we saw the roofs, we were like, that is beautiful. I mean, how many conservatories do you see with
this unique looking roofery? It's like an orangery at the same time, so it's really, really beautiful.
I know, I think it's like, it looks diamond cut to me.
It does.
And when you install that in your house, it upgrades the room instantly and makes it look more eye-catching and beautiful, as well as all the added benefits it has. So the new roofs changed how we use our conservatory, because prior, we just used this as a storage space. We tried to turn it into a gym. It was too cold. It wasn't all that. And we decided once we got the new roof to put a sofa in here, put some tables in here, put a bit of a rug, and use it as a spare hosting room, especially since we've had it throughout the summer. So now when we have friends and family around, we open up the doors, you can go in my garden, you can come in here, we can chill, relax, and it's just a nice little added space to the home.
We have actually noticed a difference in the temperature and also the comfort. Like right now it's June and we happily sitting in here really nicely, not sweating, not cold. And even in winter time when we got it done earlier this year, it wasn't compared to before, it was freezing cold, and actually afterwards it was actually really comfortable to sit in the room. And
I think when we first got our house, it was August last year, so it was really hot.
Yeah.
And when we were sitting here, it was just unbearable.
Yeah.
It was too hot, it wasn't nice, there wasn't much ventilation, but as soon as we got the roof installed, now we've had some of the hottest days of the year already, and you can still sit in here and you're not, do you know what I mean?
Suffocating.
Yeah. If an individual is going for SkyTherm, you should pick CI Group, because as we've mentioned throughout this, the process was quick and easy. Everybody was extremely friendly. The finish is perfect. It's exactly what we wished for and hoped for. And everything it says on the tin we've received and more. So yeah, that's why you should pick CI Group over anyone else.